We've got new developments for you right now as charges are dismissed against the man who threatened State Representative Rhonda Fields. Franklin Sain had been charged with harassment and attempting to influence a public servant after sending her emails laced with profanity and racial slurs. Our political specialist Sean Boyd in the newsroom on this one. So, Sean, why did Fields decide not to go forward on this?
Jim, she says it's not necessary because Franklin Sain agreed to this, a permanent restraining order. He has to stay at least 100 yards away from Fields, which means he can still go to the Capitol and testify if she's not in the room. It is an extraordinary development in a case that began 5 months ago and ended abruptly today in court. Franklin Sain left court without saying anything. It is what he said in emails, a phone call, and police say a letter that landed him here. They claim he threatened Representative Rhonda Fields over gun legislation. Last month, she told the court she feared for her life, but today she asked that all charges against Sain be dismissed.
As much as that woman has been through in the criminal justice system, and that was part of it. She says, look, I've been through courts, I've done that. It's not something I really want to do again. When somebody like her says that, you do what she asks.
Prosecutor Henry Cooper says anticipation of another trial. Fields sat through 2 death penalty trials of her son's killers, played into her decision. So did Sain's consent to a permanent restraining order. Cooper insists the dismissal was not for lack of evidence.
This dismissal has absolutely nothing to do with the provability of the case or with our decision to file charges. It has everything to do with Representative Fields' wishes.
But Sain's attorney has said the key evidence, a threatening letter, could not be linked to his client. And the vulgar emails, he says, are protected speech.
The results speak for themselves, and we're satisfied with those results.
Now, this protection order, voluntarily worked out between attorneys, does not prevent Sain from having guns, which Fields' attorney had demanded in earlier court proceedings. Still, Fields says today her concerns have been addressed and it is time to move on. In the newsroom, Sean Boyd, CBS 4 News.